New York State responding to the Supreme Court decision to overturn its 100-year-old gun laws with a host of changes.
Among those changes that go into effect tomorrow, a new background check process, new training requirements, and a long list of places where only law enforcement officials are allowed to carry a concealed weapon.
CBS 2 political reporter Marcia Kramer here now with the story. Marcia.
Well, Maurice and Christine, you might say that Governor Kathy Hochul and Mayor Eric Adams and Police Commissioner Keyshawn Sewell are locked and loaded, ready to blunt the effects of the Supreme Court ruling so that New York City doesn't become the Wild Wild West. They kicked off a massive public awareness campaign so the people will know there are many, many so-called gun-free zones.
New York passed common sense restrictions to keep guns out of our schools, restaurants, hospitals, and entertainment venues. Starting September 1st, it is a crime to bring a gun to these and other places where we pursue life, liberty, and happiness.
Governor Kathy Hochul launching a statewide ad campaign to make sure New Yorkers and the people who come here to visit are very clear on the fact that while the Supreme Court made New York a right to carry state, there are lots and lots of places where carrying a weapon will get you jail time up to 4 years behind bars.
We don't need more guns on our streets. We definitely do not. We don't need guns on our streets. We don't need people carrying guns in our subways. We don't need people carrying guns in our schools. We don't need people carrying guns in our places of worship.
The governor said that she is determined to keep New York as safe as it was before the Supreme Court struck down our laws.
With that law, we are the 5th lowest in the nation in terms of firearm-related deaths.
There are 5.3 gun-related deaths per 100,000 in New York. She compared New York to states where carrying concealed weapons is allowed. Mississippi, 28 deaths per 100,000. Louisiana, 26 deaths per 100,000. Wyoming, nearly 26 deaths per 100,000. At a press conference with Mayor Adams and Police Commissioner Keyshawn Sewell, officials talked about efforts to keep guns out of Times Square and a wide swath of the theater and restaurant district. The city released this map that will have gun-free zone signs posted at 34 different locations. There will also be mobile sign trucks posted in the area.
I never thought from the days of watching cowboy movies as a child of leave your gun at the door would become a reality in the state of New York.
The new laws and our rules properly balance the licensee's rights with keeping the public safe, which is what we do. The NYPD is the firearm licensor for New York City, and we take this responsibility very seriously.
Well, the new laws also require gun permits to be renewed every 3 years, and after September 4th, New Yorkers will have to be at least 21 to purchase a semi-automatic weapon. Christina, Maurice.
Marcia, thank you.